Hi, this is Colleen Bolton, and this is a tribute to my father, John Bolton. My father, John Bolton, was a kind and compassionate man. He loved his family and his country. He also loved a good haircut and, on occasion, a Manhattan straight up. Although my father was a man of few words, he led by example. He was not concerned about the color of another person's skin, how much money they made, or the language they spoke. He was a hard-working, first-generation American who always was inspired by someone else's character and not his own. Back in the day, my dad, a bookkeeper by trade, had what they call in today's modern terms a side hustle. Between January and April each year, people from our small town in New Hampshire would be welcomed into our dining room as my dad prepared their tax returns. Although a quiet and somewhat shy guy, my dad enjoyed the one-to-one conversation while he meticulously prepared the documents. He charged a nominal fee, and on many occasions my father did not collect payment for the service. He simply didn't worry about it. I remember a time when we were raking leaves in the fall and a man came by around the house to pay my dad nearly 6 months later. My dad couldn't believe it, and he was so impressed by that gentleman. As a youngster, my father was in charge of getting my brother and I ready for bed while Mom got ready to go to work at the hospital on the overnight shift. Each evening he would say, "Good night, kiddo, keep the faith," and offer the peace sign. During my father's declining health due to late onset Alzheimer's and ultimately his death from COVID at a long-term care facility, I reminded myself of that saying nearly every day. I only wish I'd been able to be there and say it to him while holding his hand in the final hours. As this pandemic continues and we navigate the grieving process, I repeat my father's words every morning, and I hope that things will get better.